Business has become complex today. There's a lot of competition in any business. A few years ago, there were few businesses which were considered to be technologically complex, and competitors were generally not expected in that business. But if we look at business today, there's no business, nobody can cite a single business where we don't have competitors. The globe itself is shrinking. There's a lot of connectivity that is available in the form of internet, social media sites. That is adding one more complex situation or complexity for the business itself. When customers and business meet, the interaction happens. There's a lot of data that is generated. When companies tackle competition, then lot of data is generated. When senior managers take decision, they generate lot of data for the future managers. Till now, the trend in the industry has been, if there is a complex situation, something that is to be resolved, that requires lot of thinking, can only be resolved after taking into account lot of data or lot of expertise. The trend has been the thing is outsourced to consultants. But these kind of complex situations are arising day in and day out. So that means that you cannot call a consultant daily to take your daily decisions, because your daily decisions have also now become very complex. So there is a need for people, professionals, who can use this data and arrive at decisions. Our area, this is exactly that we are trying to do. We are teaching students how to use this internally generated data, how to use data that is generated through customer interactions and arrive at decisions. So these students will start their career by aiding decision makers, and slowly they'll rise in the rank and files of the company and become good decision makers themselves. The kind of complexities that would be faced and these students would be able to handle, you can look at the amount of sales data that is being generated in a business. You can look at the data that is being generated through the social media. You can look at data that is being generated into the press itself or the print media. We are equipping these students to gather all this data, make sense out of this data, and arrive to some meaningful conclusions. This is one of the major areas that we are focusing. We call it as analytics. So in the area of analytics, we are teaching our students some of the latest tools and techniques. Example, we are teaching them R. R is the most advanced, sophisticated analytics tool that is coming up, being accepted by the business. We have understood that this is going to play a big role in a company's life. So we have been proactive in that sense. We are teaching and training our students on R. So when they go out tomorrow, they are managers of tomorrow. They can handle any kind of data. Be it the data may come from, say, the social media sites. It may come from a print media, or it may be internally generated data. Example, it can be the data related to operations, or it may be data related to sales. They'll be able to handle all this. Instead of running two consultants for any decision, probably these people can put in data, can put in lot of analysis, do lot of business analytics, and give industry the relevant decisions. Thank you.